aso gotaka gokonya gesima amang'ana na amanga arororo apart from representation apart from oversighting apart from registrating in the county assembly ya Nyamira. Even ebintu totally na negotiate about because the law is very clear. Lichi kondire very clear about it. So that one, I'm a good implementer. I mentioned I'm a manager. Around the manager, na bongo for ebintu. Nganga kibiko koraki bibuenerete. Nimbuate chisaine kubwati ebintu. I'm also a Christian, of which I look into ngaki ebintu bitwaewa ya kolewo maene just a single prefer across in everything. Lakini apart from those the three things ebiomo asimiwa ebiomo msiago kora. Nche na identify kogenda an extra mile to get ninyale ko bagingoli ebintu tukoroka nga resource mobilization. Resource mobilization chibashirito ira allocation abo chitaisana amagenda sima. Bona boniga elite ya sense mo yagesimira ire B. Na ande tuisa kulia no kuru county erato abanyagitari equipment nchikoletiki nchiyo as a development manager or say as a leader boika nimbwate plan yokogenda an extra mile to get partners igendo kire tokoroka nga PPP public private partnerships. Those are some of the things very in my manifesto that I to make okora kunjoleli gesima it will be ntagete in the year 2032 abantu bagocha ba benchmark ya gesima asinyamira.